Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to a Nigerian account in 2025. Whether you're sending money to family, friends, or for business, this guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. With changing regulations and new features, I'll walk you through the latest steps to ensure you're up to date. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and the recipient's Nigerian bank details handy. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined international transfers, but you'll need to comply with Nigeria's financial rules, like using approved gateways or services such as PayPal's partnership with local banks or fintech apps. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Once you're in, head to the Send and Request section. Here, you'll see an option to add a new recipient or select an existing one. If it's a new transfer to Nigeria, enter the recipient's email or phone number linked to their PayPal or bank account. Step 2. Select the amount you want to send. Remember, in 2025, PayPal might apply dynamic exchange rates, so keep an eye on the conversion from your currency to Nigerian naira. There could be fees involved, typically around 2 to 5% for international transfers, so double-check that before proceeding. Step 3. Verify the details. PayPal will ask you to confirm the recipient's information and any additional security codes. If you're transferring directly to a Nigerian bank, you might need to link through a service like Flutterwave or Paystack, which are popular in Nigeria for seamless integrations. Step 4. Review and confirm the transfer. Hit that Send button, and you're good to go. The money should arrive in the recipient's account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. A quick word of caution: always use secure networks to avoid scams, and stay updated on any regulatory changes in Nigeria, as the government might have specific rules for inbound transfers. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.